Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Thinkorswim for options trading. First, ensure you have the Thinkorswim platform installed and log in with your account. We'll then dive into customizing your workspace. This initial setup is crucial for an efficient trading experience, allowing you to tailor the interface to your specific needs. Getting this right from the start saves time and enhances your focus on market analysis. Once logged in, personalize your workspace by adding key gadgets. Include watch lists to track your preferred stocks, charts for technical analysis, and the Trade tab for quick order entry. Arrange these modules to fit your trading style, perhaps placing charts prominently. Remember to save your layout as a template. This ensures your preferred setup is always just a click away, streamlining your daily routine. Now, let's focus on options trading specifics. First, confirm your account has options trading permissions enabled. This is a vital step. Next, set your default order quantities and preferred expiration dates to save time on each trade. Head over to the Trade tab to access the options chain and utilize the Strategy Builder tools. These features are designed to help you analyze and execute complex option strategies efficiently. For advanced users, consider leveraging the Active Trader interface for lightning-fast order entry and management, especially useful for day trading. Dive into custom scripts and indicators to gain unique insights and refine your trading edge. These powerful tools can significantly enhance your analytical capabilities. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.